Now, in case of SN2 reaction, here SN2 reaction, that is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Here rate is directly proportional to reactant, that you know. Rate is proportional to concentration of reactant. So here reactant is 2, that is bimolecular. During SN2 reaction, there is an inversion. Inversion means attack of nucleophile to the opposite side. Now see here, this X is a leaving group, right? An attack of nucleophile to the opposite side. This is known as inversion. That is the inversion. And that is starting with the dextrorotatory. Dextrorotatory means clockwise rotation, right? And the levo product is to be obtained, or vice versa. Means depends on, if we take clockwise rotation, then you have dextro. If we will get anti-clockwise rotation, that is levorotatory. Now here in case of SN2, it is an inversion because nucleophile attack to the opposite side, and hence it is a said to be inversion. That is the SN2 reaction. Here in case of SN1, there is a tertiary group. Here this tertiary group due to plus I effect. Due to plus I effect, because methyl is a electron releasing group, so density to this carbon is increases, and also it contain electronegative element. So there is a more crowd, it is show plus I effect. Due to this plus I effect, there is a formation of carbocation, that is carbon with plus sign, that is carbocation. Now after that, this carbocation is formed. This reaction takes place very slow, and the formation of carbocation takes place. Now this carbocation, again the process is nucleophilic substitution. So nucleophile attack to the carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation, to form very fast reaction. This reaction is very fast because this is carbocation and this is electronegative. Very fast reaction, that is the formation of carbocation changes to compound, that is carbocation react with nucleophile to form nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here according to this, 3 degree carbocation, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, means tertiary halide will give faster reaction than 2 degree, then 1 degree. Now SN2 reaction faster will give first degree, and third degree SN1. Now polar solvent, low concentration of nucleophile. Weak nucleophile favor SN1 reaction, means weak nucleophile favor SN1 reaction, right? Now free radical halogenation of alkane. Alkane, that is long chain of carbon, single bonded, which react with chlorine in presence of UV light or heating to form primary halide and secondary halide, that is sec or primary. Now here it follow the simple, that is homolytic cleavage, and there is a free radical formation. Now addition of hydrogen halide to alkene, see here there is a double bondage propene. When it react with HBr to form, here there is a formation of HBr, that is 2-bromo. It follow the Markovnikov's rule. Now same way, if same propene react with HBr in presence of organic peroxide, peroxide means what? Just opposite of Markovnikov's rule, that is anti-Markovnikov's rule. And anti-Markovnikov's rule is that negative part goes to that carbon, which contain more number of hydrogen. So that is the anti-Markovnikov's rule, and their formation is primary halide, and Markovnikov's rule will give secondary halide. Now after that, there is a Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is used for the exchange of halogen. Here exchange of halogen, in which halogen like chlorine and bromine is exchanged with iodine. Chlorine, bromine are exchanged with iodine in presence of acetone to form alkyl iodide. Suppose that example given, how will you convert ethyl chloride into ethyl iodide? So only you write ethyl chloride react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone to form ethyl iodide. In this way, any halogen chlorine bromine is changes to iodine.